tight hips, you're killing your kicks and you don't even know it. So let's fix that fast. We're gonna do some really great hip opening so you can get some more power in your kicks. So let's go ahead and get started. I want us to go ahead and slide down the legs. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna go forward. And what we're gonna do now, you're gonna go take your right leg and you're gonna push it out. Now you're gonna feel a huge opening here on the right side, especially here in the groin area of your hip. This is where you really need to unlock. Okay, we bring it back and let's go ahead and switch it out. Left leg goes up, push out, hold it there. You might hear a little bit of snap, crackle, pop, but that's okay. Just keep it moving. All right, we're gonna do the other side. We're gonna do this a few times. There we go. And you see how I'm like rolling out on the side of my foot. I'm really maximizing this hip opening right now. Again, I know a lot of you guys out there, you know you can have more power in your kicks, but you just keep hitting that roadblock. Man, it's all because you have tight, sticky hips. And this is very common amongst many Muay Thai and kickboxers. I work with a lot of them. And again, 99% of them have tight, sticky hips. So this routine right here is really gonna open that up and get you more power in those kicks. Perfect. All right, here we go. Next one we're gonna do, we're gonna sit there on our knee. We're gonna bring our left leg forward. Okay, so what I want you to do is bring your hand up and you're gonna stretch. And I really want you to push that hip out. You're gonna feel a nice opening here along the side of the body. Just really hold it there. Okay, we're gonna do 4 more. Pushing it out. All right, like I said, you might feel this all the way up into your lat. You know, that's also good. That's another large muscle group that you wanna target to get more power in your punches and in your guard. So stay tuned for the next video because I'm gonna show you how. Okay, let's go ahead and do 1 more. Pushing out, again, you see I'm pushing that hip out, pushing it out. There we go, perfect, great. Okay, now we're gonna do the other side. I'm just gonna switch sides so I can show you. Left leg goes up. Again, pushing that hip out. Again, you're gonna get a nice stretch on the side. You know, a lot of us are in that guard position, so everything's locked down. So it's really important that we're stretching here on the side, and this is gonna really help to unlock the hip. Okay, I want us to do 4 more. Okay, I know you're probably asking, should I be breathing on this? Well, I hope you're breathing. So definitely do some breathing. I like to breathe in and out through my nose because what happens is when we do nose breathing while we're doing some mobilization, it will help to heat up the tissues faster. So it'll help for a bigger release. Okay, perfect. All right, whew. I know you guys felt that one. All right, next one, what I want us to do, we're gonna get into this high plank positioning again. We're going to bring the leg forward, okay? This is already tight. I'm sure you're probably feeling a stretch just from this. So what I want you to do from now, your right hip, I want you to drop it down to the ground. It taps, and then we bring it up, okay? Perfect. We're going to tap the ground and bring it up. Again, this hip mobility for Muay Thai fighters is so very important. Again, especially if especially if you're about to fight and you really need that competitive edge. Open up your hips and trust me, your opponent is not doing this. So I really take this into your training. This mobilization routine that I'm showing you, I would say do it maybe about 3 times a week. That'll really, like I said, open up those hips and you will feel the power for sure. Okay, let's do 1 more. Perfect. All right, let's get back up there. Switch, bring it forward. Again, a lot of us just being in this position here is already an intense stretch, okay? Again, if you can't really do the hip drop, just let it sit there for a minute, let the body loosen up a bit. But we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get into that because again, we gotta get this hip mobility going on. We want all you Muay Thai fighters out there to get more power in your kicks and also range of motion. There we go. Again, don't go too fast. I said with the mobilizations, go kind of slow. Okay, you know, you spend all your training going fast, fast, speed, 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 speed. So give the body something different. When it comes to mobilizing the body or any type of rehab, prehab, you always want to slow it down. Go, and let's go ahead and do one more. All right, perfect, great. Okay, so our last one that we're gonna do is called frog, all right? This is one, it's gonna be frog with a twist. So we're gonna get here into this frog position. We scoot back, we come up, and we drop the legs over both sides and bring them back, okay? So dropping down, holding it there, again, unlocking the hips, coming up, drop, drop, perfect. Sweating down, good. Each time you do it, you'll get down there deeper and deeper. Again, this is just mobilizing, getting some movement in there. Bringing it back down. Drop, drop. Okay, last one. Back down. Drop, drop. Perfect. All right, so the only thing it took is 5 minutes to really mobilize your hips so you can get more power. So if you're looking for more hip mobility drills like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is everyone's favorite health coach, Mike Jones, signing out. Have a pain-free day. Until next time.